So GoldOre is just as flexible with our business models as we are when it comes to the design and customization of our MACH reactors. We really don't force our clients to go down a particular route in terms of the business model. Clients can lease, which is the simplest options, a maintenance lease, where you just pay a fixed monthly amount for the use of the MACH reactor. And should something go wrong with that reactor, or should something break, or wear component fail, for example, then this will be replaced by GoldOre at no further charge to the client. So clients like this because it's a low risk way of doing business, and it's something they can budget for. So they can budget a certain amount a month for the reactors, and they know it will never be more than that. Even if the whole reactor is to blow up into millions of pieces and we have to give them a brand new reactor, it's not going to cost them a cent to do that. So it is something that gives clients a lot of comfort, knowing that it's a low risk option. But having said that, there's a small secret behind it, in that we've never replaced a MACH reactor in over 10 years, right? So we haven't done maintenance. The MACH reactor is a zero maintenance piece of kit. And as soon as clients realize that it is that way and that it has a lifespan of more than 10 years, then they start to look at the economics of it on their side. And if they have capital available, then often I get clients ask, can they just purchase the unit? Even if they've been renting it, say, for 2 years, and they've seen for themselves that there's no maintenance, there is no wear, and it looks like it's just going to carry on for as long as the operation is going to run. Then the accountants get involved and they say, you're paying way too much over a period of 10 years, you're paying way too much for the lease, you may as well purchase. But then we're flexible. So even if they've leased it for 2 years and they come to us and say, we'd like to now purchase the reactor, we work out a deal for them to purchase. Or some clients from the word go will say they would like a rent to buy agreement, similar to, I suppose, on a motor vehicle. So they just pay a higher rental amount every month, and then after a certain period of time, they pay a balloon payment. So it reduces that capital input they've got to put in, and then the reactor is theirs. So, it really depends on the client and on their, it's the resources that they have available on their side. If they have capital available, of course, it makes more sense for them to buy the unit. But if capital isn't available, they can pay for the unit out of their OPEX or their operating costs, which is often a lot easier. But I always say to clients that we're open to suggestions, to new ways of doing things. So if they have something that they would like to propose or try with us in terms of a business model, we're always willing to work with it. The main thing is it has to work for both parties. So GoldOre has to be able to, of course, realize some profit on it, and it's got to suit the client as well. And as long as it works, business is business, and we're here for that. We're here to make everybody happy. If you would like us to do more posts on something specific you would like to know about, please comment your suggestions below.